Coming up this week on Ralph and Vicki's The Choice.
I just gave Chad a cardio test. We're going back to the farm in Iowa. We don't have real good phone service. She complains, and I love it.